Mars may look like a cold, lifeless desert, but it holds clues that it once had flowing water and conditions that could have supported life. What we see today might just be the remains of a very different world. Known as the red planet, Mars gets its color from iron oxide, essentially rust, covering its surface. From space, it appears like a vast, dusty landscape frozen in time. But here's something unexpected. A day on Mars is almost identical to Earth. It lasts about 24 hours and 37 minutes, giving it a surprisingly familiar day-night cycle. Now imagine standing at the base of a volcano so massive you wouldn't even realize you're on one. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system, about 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and so wide its full shape disappears beyond the horizon. Mars also features Valles Marineris, a canyon system stretching over 4,000 kilometers. It's so enormous it would span across an entire continent on Earth, dwarfing anything we have here. But the real mystery lies in Mars' past. Scientists have found strong evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and possibly large ocean-like bodies of water, suggesting liquid water once shaped its surface. Today, most of that water is gone, but not completely. Ice remains beneath the surface and at the poles, and there are hints that liquid water may have existed under certain conditions in the past. Mars is also home to extreme weather. Massive dust storms can grow so large they cover the entire planet, lasting for weeks and blocking sunlight across the surface. If you were standing on Mars, you'd feel incredibly light. Its gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, meaning you could jump higher and move in ways that feel almost unreal. Orbiting Mars are 2 unusual moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are small and irregularly shaped, and scientists believe they may be captured asteroids or formed from debris long ago. Mars even has seasons like Earth, caused by its tilted axis. But since it takes 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun, each season lasts much longer. And here's the most exciting part. Mars is one of the few places in the solar system where humans might live in the future. Missions are already being planned that could send humans there within the next few decades, if everything goes right. Mars isn't just a barren world. It's a time capsule of planetary history and possibly the next step for humanity. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.